Come test drive the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, Sirius satellite radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.